I welcome the decision of the Supreme Court to ban the electoral bonds because electoral bonds were nothing but a fraud committed on the people of this country in the name of electoral reforms. So the government, especially the Modi government, is to take money discreetly without people knowing who is paying, which corporate is paying, which political party and how much. And they used to corner the largest share of money from the corporates for a quid pro quo. And it was a nexus between the Modi government and the corporates, where the corporates would pay the government through electoral bonds discreetly without people's knowledge. So it was a game played by the Modi government from last many years. They have cornered thousands of crores through these electoral bonds and used the same money taken from the corporates through quid pro quo, helping them in many other ways, various ways. And same money was used in the elections to defeat the opposition. So this is a welcome move. It has brought respite if it is totally banned. So one, Mr. Modi and the BJP should apologize to the people of this country for misleading them and saying he will bring electoral reforms and playing a fraud on the people of the country. Two, all those money should be returned back and there has to be explanation why. Because we in the opposition are in no way in a position to help anybody. But as a government, when they got thousands of crore and 80% of the funds were given to the BJP through electoral bonds by the same corporates who got undue favors. So all this money should be brought into public domain and accounted for, and the people of the country should understand the design of Mr. Modi and the BJP, the way they are being defrauded and the way they are told that we will bring electoral reforms. Here the biggest pain is Mr. Modi assured the country that I will bring electoral reforms, I will bring transparent system, and he did exactly opposite and brought electoral reforms to fraud the people and the whole system together.